sinking to the dark below. I gave it all, yet still I fall. Embrace the shadows of my soul, holding on to what I know. No regrets, just endless goals, fading into broken walls. Deeper down I'm sinking in, but I embrace the storm within. Through the pain I'll find my way, stronger now, rise again. Walking through the bitter night, facing fears with open eyes, and every tear a story told.